Hi, I'm Rachel. This is Unboxing Packaging. On today's Christmas video, let's welcome Gucci Broom. Do you want to know how luxury cosmetic brands pack their products? Ready, set, go! This is a Gucci Broom package of 2 different size bottles of perfumes. The box is rigid box style with this red and white Gucci Broom flower pattern all over it. Outside is a PET cover. It can protect the boxes from scratches. Also, we can put it like this. So, when we need to show the customers what's inside the box, this PET cover really helps. It can guarantee the bottles won't fall off easily. Inside the box is a PET tray made of mold with a custom printed paper on top of it. As Black Friday special offer, a set of small gifts are given. For example, like this mesh drawstring pouch with custom printed pattern all over it. Instead of using a printed logo, they stitch a woven logo on top of it. Other small gifts are 2 bottles of perfumes packed in foldable boxes. This one is in a drawer box style, and the other one is in a double-decker style. Do you want to adapt some ideas into your packaging? Our budget time may help you. Firstly, let's talk about gift box with PET cover and inner tray. The box is made of 1200 GSM paper with printed both inside and outside. Size of 9.8 by 7.8 by 2.8 inches. 1000 sets will be around $4 and 3000 sets will be around $3. A mesh drawstring pouch with custom printed background and custom woven logo. Size 8 by 10.4 inches. 500 pieces is around $1 and 3000 pieces is around 70 cents. Drawer box in 1.4 by 5.5 by 0.9 inches. 500 pieces will be around $1 and 3000 pieces will be around 50 cents. Double-decker box in 1.1 by 2.2 by 0.75 inches, made of 300 GSM paper. 500 pieces will be around 40 cents and 3000 pieces will be around 20 cents. That's all for today's unboxing packaging. If any question, leave comment at info@deepkinglabels.com. Merry Christmas and see you next time!